1 terabyte. Oh. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media beat is somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and literally everything is very, very girly and super personal. My TikTok anyways, so come through. I actually kind of like don't hate my setup right now. I'm usually like hating my setup in my new apartment, but like this little light right here, that's kind of cute. Today is exciting because I finally got the new phone. I keep getting the phone like half a year after it launches, releases. So literally I'm doing myself dirty because I have the T-Mobile Jump program, which means I pay the difference of like my old phone and the new phone. So obviously it's better for me to just get the new phone when it releases because then it'll be less money for me. But I'm dumb and I'm lazy. And I don't want to go to the T-Mobile store because I'm stupid. Anyways, today we will be unboxing the iPhone 14 Pro, which I'm an insane person. I got 1 terabyte. This phone is 1 terabyte memory. Isn't that insane? To be fair though, I am a social media manager, so I have... Okay, so right now I have the iPhone 13 Pro. Let me take my little case off. It's cute. I have like the gold. And I'm so excited to upgrade to the iPhone 14 Pro, though I don't know if there's that much of a difference. I think it's just the camera. It feels like that's the only difference there ever is anymore with the phones, is just the camera. So the difference between the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro. In the 14 Pro, there's a faster A16 Bionic chip. There's an improved and brighter display with always on function, new 48MP main camera, 4K cinematic view, new action mode stabilization, satellite connectivity, dynamic island now replaces the notch, and same battery life but faster charging speed. Cool. So let's unbox this baby. Okay, let's open her up. Woo! I still haven't like upgraded to like the sorry. The first thing I noticed is how tall the cameras are. Oh my god. It sticks out so much. Do you see that? Like this one does not stick out. Like, oh no, it does not. Wow. Okay, so I haven't like ever really upgraded to the max just because like my hand is the size of this phone. I don't need it to be any bigger personally, but got the Pro and I got the gold again because I do really like the gold. So this is what it comes with. I think she's the same size. It's really just like the camera that's different. So much bigger, Jesus Christ. I feel like there were more fun ASMR-y things to unbox the phone before. But everything looks basically the same. This is the phone. I know that there's not like a too crazy of an update here. I like that the sidebars are more silver than they are gold. Like on the old one, they're more gold and here they're more silvery. I'm so excited. I'm totally gonna have to update this though, like afterwards, because it's like the middle of the workday. Okay, so obviously it comes with a charger, except, you know, minus the block because Apple is cheap. Like literally, isn't that insane that they don't give you the block anymore? Do they not even give you headphones anymore? There are no headphones either. Girl, why is this so cheap? No headphones, no block. This is atrocious. Recession core vibes, like seriously. Yeah, here's a, wow, thanks Apple. That's really it. They don't give you nothing anymore. So anyways, I'm gonna show a side-by-side comparison of the phones. I'm gonna be so for real right now. If I didn't have the T-Mobile Jump program, I really wouldn't have gotten the iPhone 14 Pro. If you're considering upgrading to the new phone, upgrade to the next phone, the iPhone 15. They're actually gonna have big differences. Like here, it's like a very minor difference. The biggest feature with the iPhone 14 Pro is the new pill-shaped dynamic island notch. Obviously, the 48MP main camera upgrade and the A16 Bionic chipset. And obviously the new phone does come in like those new colors. The purple and the blue. I looked at the purple and I was debating getting the purple, but I thought about it. I hated how like in the camera section, like everything looked super cute and like light, and then that part looked dark, and I thought it would look really ugly in cases personally. So while the 13 Pro Max is taller, the 14 Pro Max is thicker. So what the A16 chip basically does, it enables new levels of power efficiency. This is the difference with the dynamic island. As you can see, that this little notch doesn't exist anymore, and it's like this and usable. This is new. What? Ah, that's kind of cool. I might do that. All right, time for that face ID. I decided to set up later because I just want to get all my info in there. Oh, yo, this is crazy. Use face ID with a mask? Nar, 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 nar. Too late. I mean, that would be really good for doctors though that are always in face masks. Okay, now it's time for the thing that's gonna take hours. I'm scared to even know how long it's gonna take. The final verdict is 6 hours. We just lost an hour. Oh, on the other phone it says 7 hours. Yo. Okay, well it's 8 p.m. now, so I might just have to go to sleep with this going. Oh my god. Hello friends. I finally got myself a case for my iPhone 14 Pro. Cute, isn't it? I got it from Amazon. I wish I chose a different color because this like gold is kind of too light, but it's fine. And I love the phone. I didn't realize how much I really like the upgrade. Yeah, this is kind of like sick. Oh, this is my I have an Italy vlog if you want to watch. Check it out. Sir, the phone is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the phone or if it's like the just the upgrade, but it does. I have noticed that it's like really fast. Like swiping through apps and everything is really, really, really fast. I'm gonna include a video of what the camera looks like, just like of my own nonsense here, but that's the camera. Wait, watch. Someone at the T-Mobile store told me to do this. I don't know, you guys all probably know how to do this. It's just literally just me. Camera, yeah, okay. Format. Yeah, so now I'm gonna turn on the Apple Pro RAW so that my pictures are like in an insane quality. Let's see. I'm gonna include the picture so that you guys see it in the video. So little hack in this video for you guys to do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, that was my unboxing. It was pretty sad because the phone hasn't like changed at all, and Apple is cheaping out more and more every day with how little they give you. So that's great. Thank you for watching guys, and if you want a review, let me know. All right, bye guys.